Bright, swirly, and impossible not to smile at. Today, we're diving into the sweet and sticky world of lollipops. Welcome to National Lollipop Day. Celebrated every year on July 20th, this day honors one of the world's most iconic and nostalgic treats. Believe it or not, the earliest lollipops weren't made in candy shops. Ancient people used to dip sticks into honeycombs for a sweet treat, probably the very first version of a lollipop. In 17th century England, sugar was boiled and stuck on sticks for easy eating. The word lollipop comes from lolly, meaning tongue, and pop, meaning slap. So, tongue slap? Yep. Fast forward to 1908, Racine Confectionery created a machine that made 2,400 lollipops per hour. Then in 1916, candy legend Samuel Bourne invented the Bourne Sucker machine, and got a key to San Francisco for it. Thanks to Tootsie Roll Industries and the National Confectioners Association, July 20th became National Lollipop Day, a time to celebrate the joy, color, and nostalgia packed into every sugary swirl. Lollipop by the numbers 16 million lollipops are made daily by Tootsie Roll alone. The world's largest lollipop? Over 7,000 pounds and nearly 6 feet tall. Top flavors? Fruity classics. Plus cotton candy in the US is a fan favorite. Fun pop culture moments. In 2008, Lil Wayne's Lollipop topped ringtone charts everywhere. But it all started with the Chordettes' sweet hit Lollipop back in 1958. From retro tunes to rap, this candy's got range. And yes, there are even beer-flavored lollipops. Cheers! How to celebrate. Buy and share your favorites. Make your own with fun molds. Throw a lollipop-themed party. Try spicy or boozy lollies. Share the history with friends. 10 DIY lollipop recipes to try. Ready to get hands-on? Try one of these awesome homemade lollipop recipes, classic hard candy lollipops. You can also try making quick 4-ingredient lollies. No corn syrup versions. Soothing honey pops. Indian-style honey cinnamon. Chocolate molded pops. Dairy-free chocolates. Halloween lollies. Lavender honey gourmet pops, or even cake pop-style lollipops. Whether you love classic cherry, crave spicy cinnamon, or want to try something wild like lavender honey, there's a lollipop for every palate. Celebrate the sweet life. Celebrate Lollipop Day. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more fun food history and DIY recipes. And comment your favorite lollipop flavor below. Don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a treat.
Hello.